Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to download and install Imo in desktop. So let's started. At first, open your desktop. Now you can see. Now we going to the browser. Now choose from Chrome browser. Now click from Chrome browser. Now you can see. Then you show the new interface. Now click from search bar. Now keyboard press from Imo. Now keyboard press from enter. Now we can see then we show the menu option. Now we select from second option. Now click from. Now you can see then we show new interface. Now we choose from download option and we select from download for Windows. Now for click. That is now you can see running the download for him. Now wait for some moment. Now waiting for you. Now you show the download. Now click from show in folder. Now click. Now click mouse right button option. Now select from run and administer. Now we select from yes. Now click from OK option. Now you can see then we show the new interface. Now you select from tick mark in the I accept the themes, the license arrangement. Now click for install option. Now wait for some moment. Now click from finish. That is. Now we select from the Imo. That is. Now Imo install from desktop is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.